This is the Merrill P-15 lever bolt and nut for the model C1000, E5000, and the WC1000. Now it also works on several other Merrill hydrants. That's just to list a few. So when you get the package, come with the lever bolt, got a hex head up top. It'll also come with the nut. Now, lever bolt and nut, this is what is used to kind of secure that handle onto that hydrant head. Standard thread, left to loosen, right to tighten. Total length of the bolt, measuring from the head all the way down to the last thread, we're right at just over 2 1/8 inches. And then outer diameter of the hex head, right at about 6/16, right in there. Yeah, right at about 6/16. And the nut, outer diameter, gonna be right at about a quarter, just above a 1/4 of an inch. Of course, it's got those female or internal threads in there to thread onto that lever bolt. And once again, this is the Merrill P-15 lever bolt and nut for this Merrill yard hydrant.